In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Twitter Blue, so be sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes in the process. Now, as you can probably know by now, Twitter has the option to get Twitter Blue. As you can see, Elon Musk obviously has it. Now, this is a really easy process. On your main page, when you're just scrolling through tweets, you're going to use your finger to scroll to the right. It'll bring this up and you're just going to click on Twitter Blue. Now, as you can see, it lays out all of the benefits that you get when you get Twitter Blue, and there's a monthly or annually price that you can pay to actually get it. Now, this is just a very simple process. You're going to click on whichever option you'd like and go through the process of buying it, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.